guys, so I'm on my way home right now. I just went to House of Stella to get some Christmas presents and to pick up my friend's birthday present. So I went to there to get that, and I'm so excited to put it under the tree. This is my favorite season, or like season/month, because it's my birthday month. And it's on top of that, it's my mom and dad's birthday month, and also it's Christmas. I'm just so excited. Everyone's nice to each other this year, or like this month. I'm super excited. So I have plans to meet Bailey. I'm going out with Grant tonight, and it's gonna be fun-filled, fun-packed week. I'm going to this event called the Shotgun Wedding Experience Christmas event tomorrow, so that should be lots and lots of fun. So we'll see. I'll show you the tree when I get home. I wanted to show you our Christmas tree just in case, because I told you I would. But I can't see Bailey tonight. I'm going out with Grant, so I got those presents. Excuse me. And that present already started beneath my little tree. And then my roommate is so cute. She made that look so really cute, and she made that, or she got that, and then we have a wreath on our door. So that's our Christmas holiday spirit for you. Hey guys, so I am on my way out to get Grant, and then we are going to a place called Third and Lindsay, and I'm going to this Young Entertainment Christmas bash, I guess, so to speak. I have to stop by Target to get gloves and stuff, so you get them for free if you donate an item to the charity this year, and I would donate anyways. But then we're gonna hang out there all night. They have a band playing, performing. Of course, it's Nashville. And then they also have meet and greet, and you just mix and mingle with like everyone that's in the industry, in young entertainment industry. So we're gonna have a mixer tonight. Grant's coming, Janet's coming, Brad's coming, and Bales is coming, maybe Johnny too. So yeah, I will see. Come on with me.
With the shade signs.
I'm happy.
Check. Here we go. What's up?
To receive more information, and guys, this is an amazing organization, and they really believe in the power of, it's called Room in the Inn. They really believe in the power of relationships, personal relationships, and it's with this theme that they provide services, and they try to promote lifelong learning and recovery for the people around here that are without homes, and especially this time of year. It's important all times of the year, especially this time of the year. It's so cold, and it's the holiday season, so it gets pretty lonely. So Room in the Inn really works hard to provide educational classes to help these people that are without homes right now. Tonight, I'm so excited to introduce this amazing band behind me. Their name is Rosewater. When I heard about this band and did some research on them, it's really cool, and I cannot wait to hear them play tonight, because their sound, they're an American music band based out of rural Wisconsin, and their sound is from the Great Depression, right? Sure. And their album, guys, their self-titled debut album, has just been recorded, and tonight they want you to sign up to receive a free EP that's going to come out sometime in the 1st of 2014. But their album is basically a story centered around a young, innocent girl named Violet who is in love, and she decides to consummate her love with her boyfriend, and well, that's what they tell me. This is what I want to hear tonight. And so that is the reason for the Shotgun Wedding theme. So I'd like to think I'm Violet. Just kidding, not Violet. I'm married with 2 kids, so there we go. Rosewater, they have a really, just a deep passion for helping the homeless and vets, and you're going to hear more about that tonight. So I'm so excited, and they are so excited to be helping with Room in the Inn, and we are so excited to have them. And this is all because of Nashville, which I know all of you, there's the reason you're here. So they are putting on an amazing benefit. And without further ado, you don't want to hear me talking. Here's Rosewater.
Take it away.
And we were talking about love.
RosewaterMusic.com. And check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/Rosewater.
And YouTube.
And YouTube.
It's a link on the website. You'll see it right here. I don't know what it is. You tell me. Go. Yes. Rosewater Music.
That's about it.
They were excellent, so you gotta check them out.
Come on, do all that you can. Keep me in the day. Keep me running strong. You don't want to save me, oh, so sad is my song. When you believe in things that you don't understand, suffer. Superstition Say